Hello everyone, my name is Erica Mashiloane and welcome back to another episode of the All You Need series, okay? So in this series, I basically take you from episode number 1 up until episode 22 of the things that you would need in order to enhance your beauty. So right now, this is episode 3, so I'm only going to be showing you 3 products that you would need in order to just really enhance the look without doing too much. So it's kind of like a ranking order of importance as you watch my videos. So please do stay tuned, hit the notification bells button so that you can be notified every single time I release a new video. Let's get right into it. Welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. If you're new to my channel, a very warm welcome to you. Please hit the subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you very much for joining me once again. In today's video, we are doing the All You Need episode number 3. Finally, guys. I have been waiting such a long time just to be back and shooting for you guys and showing you what you would need if you only had 3 products in your beauty kit, right? So today I'm starting with my Essence Long-Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Hot Chocolate. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to use it as a lip liner. So just watch and learn. Okay, so this is what the lip liner looks like in order to get a nice glossy lip combo. And then I'm going to now top it off with my Revlon Super Lustrous the Gloss in the shade Sandstorm. And it's actually one of my favorites. I'm actually running out of it, so I want to try and get a different lip gloss to show you guys on the channel. This is very sparkly and very thick, so it truly is long lasting, trust me. I'm pretty sure you can see the amount of shine and sparkle. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the third product. Okay, so obviously this is product number 1, the lip liner, product number 2, the lip gloss, and then topping it off is product number 3, which is a mascara, right? So I would just open my Revlon Big Bad Lash Mascara. Let me just show you which one I love right now. The So Fierce Big Bad Lash. So I would use this on my eyelashes, but I've already got strip lashes, as you can see, right? So if you are like me and you've got strip lashes, I will include something different. Okay, yeah. So that was just to show you that you would use a mascara if you didn't have on strip eyelashes, right? The mascara is very important. And then if you are like me and you've got eyelashes, I would just move right along to our Essence The Dip eyeliner. It's waterproof. Right, so this liquid eyeliner is pretty good as well. I've been using it for some time. So I'm just going to try to put this on. Okay, so these are just a few products that are starting to enhance your beauty without getting to that super full-on transformation glam as we're gonna get into. as you can see what I have just done. Okay, so yeah, just a nice liner, a nice mascara will get you there. Okay, so as you can see, those were my 3 products for the day. So if you are like me and you've got strip lashes, then these are the only 3 products that you would need. So it would be your lip liner from Essence, your Revlon gloss, and then your Essence again, the dip eyeliner, right? Just to get a nice enhanced look without really doing too much. But if you do not have on strip lashes or individual lashes, then these would be your 3 products, right? So you would do the lip combo as I have just showed you, the lip liner and the gloss, and then you would use a mascara. And trust me, that was all you would need. It's all you would need if you have to just run a few errands, or if you have to take an ID picture, or just be very natural. You know, maybe if you've got a newborn baby around and you cannot be having a lot of makeup, or you don't have the time, you would just kind of use these 3 just to enhance yourself and to remind yourself that you are still flawless and beautiful. Disclaimer guys, every single time I say that these products enhance and beautify you, it really is an addition to your original beauty, because you are beautiful just the way you are. As you wake up and you take a nice bath and you do your skin cleanse, you are already just stunning and ready to go. But these are just for the ladies that know that they would like to maybe take a picture and they would like to just have a little bit more on the picture, just showing like a little liner or a little mascara or a cute lip combo. So please do consider that as you watch more of my videos. And I actually wanted to get into a bit of my skincare in this video. I have been using the Neutrogena range, right? So this is the Bright Boost range. So I start by using my serum. So this is the Bright Boost serum from Neutrogena. It's really lovely, guys. It's so good. I love it under my skin when I do makeup. And then this is also another product, my Neutrogena Bright Boost Gel Cream. So this Neutrogena Bright Boost Gel Cream is super good. It's like illuminating as well. They both have a little bit of like glitter in them, so I think it shows really well when you have makeup. So if you are looking for products to use before you start to apply your lip combos and your mascaras and your foundation, I would definitely recommend that you use these products, because they have definitely been working for me. Super nice on the skin, not too harsh, and they don't have too much chemicals in them, but they definitely are effective. So please do try out the Neutrogena skincare range in the Bright Boost range if you are struggling with dark marks. If not, and you are struggling with dry skin, then do try the Neutrogena Hydro Boost range. It's the blue one. It's really good. That's the one I started with, and once I had a good balance on my skin's hydration, then I just needed to deal more with my pigmentation and my dark marks, of which I'm still in the process of, as you can see. But that is why I'm taking you step by step with my beauty products, in order to show you that it's still okay to not put on foundation, work on your skin a little bit, and still try to enhance your face in different ways without actually putting on all that makeup, foundations and concealers and a whole lot of the stuff that definitely will ruin your skin if you're not taking care of your skin prior to it. So thank you very much, guys, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Please do like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you in another one. Love you. Bye.